beloved Prophet Muhammad and his beautiful life journey, who encourages and every Muslim people. Muhammad is the last and final Prophet of Allah, the noble, the greatest world, and as I was saying, he was born forced by conversion to leave Mecca for Medina. Has called intellect. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabiul Awwal in third month of Islamic calendar, which hold great importance and significance. The word Muslim, the name of Muslim, the aftermath of Islam, most significant in Islamic history. This denotes the month of Rabiul Awwal in the celebration.
Hello.
Respected teachers and other estimated person. Today I am speaking in front of you Islam. First of all, First, I wanted to wish everyone happy Eid al-Fitr. So, today I am talking about our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who was also known as the seal of the Prophet. He is considered to be the founder of Islam and revered by our Muslims. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born in Makkah. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born into noble family, but he grew up in a society that marked by social inequality and religion plurality. We should try to follow the path that our beloved Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I wish my children who are attending the program about our believers in the 2024 was celebrating the Milad of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I attend for the college in Jaluna Mata Kulman College. Do your best and celebrate your programs. Thank you. ഇതോടുകൂടി മലയാളം ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് അവസാനിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അടുത്തതായി സ്റ്റേജിൽ നടക്കാനിരിക്കുന്നത് മാപ്പിളപ്പാട്ട്. അടുത്തതായി ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പ്രസംഗത്തിന് വേണ്ടി
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will talk my speech in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi